Hello everyone and welcome to Mr. Simplifies Tutorials. In this video we're going to look at financial ratio analysis. We're going to look at the concept of financial ratio analysis and simplify it, and we're going to look at a couple of types of financial ratio analysis. We can come up with videos in the future elaborating each type, but this is just an overall exploration of the concept. So what is financial ratio analysis? It is, very simply speaking, a way to conduct a company's financial health check. When would you actually require it? Let's consider two hypothetical situations. In one situation, you're an investor looking to invest in a company and you've got multiple options. You've got two options, and you will be interested in understanding how well one company compares against the other when it comes to a financial ratio analysis conducted on each of them. Now, in the second hypothetical situation, you're the owner of a company and you wish to expand or grow your organization. You would conduct a financial ratio analysis to come up with an action plan or action points to make the company grow. Now, let's look at these two examples in a bit more detail. In the first situation, how would an actual financial ratio analysis help you answer the relevant questions? What questions would it help you answer? Why is one business more profitable than the other? What is the ROI in each business? Which business provides you a higher return on investment than the other? How well does either business manage its assets, like its inventory or its debtors? These are very important considerations when you're trying to invest in a business. Now, in the second hypothetical situation, when you are trying to expand your company, how would you actually use financial ratio analysis? You'd gather financial data through sources such as income statement or balance sheet, and then you actually conduct a financial ratio analysis, and then you interpret this data and formulate an action plan to actually correct the course or to grow the company. Now, how you're able to execute the action plan is a completely different consideration, but it's nevertheless critical to have them in place. So what are the most important types of financial ratio analysis? Liquidity ratio, profitability ratio, and leverage ratio. We're going to look at each of them and look at the subtypes mentioned as well. Liquidity ratio, easily the most important ratio. It actually tries to explain how easily a company can pay its debts, which basically means paying the amounts that are due when they're due. That is how you avoid credit. So we look at a type of liquidity ratio which is current ratio, which basically is current assets plotted against current liabilities. So it's current assets divided by current liabilities. So current assets can be commodities like the amount of cash available in the business, or the amount of stock held by the business. Current liabilities could be the amount of debt that you owe to, the amount of money that you owe to your suppliers, the debts that you have with your suppliers. Now, the current ratio needs to be higher than 1, but obviously if it's too high, if the current ratio is too high, then there is a possibility that the company could be holding too much stock, which is one of the current assets mentioned, or maybe there's a situation where too much cash is being generated out of the business and that amount needs to be invested better. So very important indicator. Next we look at profitability or performance ratio. Now this tells us how good a company is at making money. So it's not all about just generating sales or leads, it's about actually generating profit. Generating profit is the most important consideration for any business, and we look at a very popular type of profitability ratio, which is profit margin ratio, which is basically profit divided by sales. Now in this situation it's quite easy, it's quite straightforward. The higher the profit margin ratio, the better it is. Now, profitability ratio is actually a sufficient parameter to actually measure the success of Apple. Apple has got a massive profitability ratio, which actually which actually just explains that it is one of the most important considerations. It's actually more important to generate a higher profit than actually sell loads of goods and commodities. The third type you're going to look at is leverage ratio. This indicates the amount of debt the company is using to run and stay alive. Every company needs a little bit of debt to actually sustain itself. Most companies do. And one of the major types of leverage ratios is debt ratio, which is basically assets minus equity divided by assets. And it's quite obvious to know that lower the debt ratio, the safer the company is. Otherwise, the company could be in a lot of trouble in terms of its finances. So basically, this is a very simple introduction to financial ratio analysis. And if you're interested in in-depth videos covering each subtype, then please let me know in the comments, and then I can start working with them and provide them to you in as simple and as straightforward a way as possible. So I thank you very much for your attendance to this video. I look forward to your comments, and just as always, keep supporting this content, keep supporting this video and all the other videos in this channel. Keep liking and take care of yourself. Look forward to seeing you in the future videos. Thank you. Bye.